Hello, my amazing English learners. Welcome to this brand new series on English learning through a simple, fun, and effective English speaking course. My name is Ben, and I absolutely love teaching English. I am really glad you've joined us today on your English learning journey. In this series, we're going to cover a ton of useful topics like daily English conversation, phrasal verbs, English for job interviews, and English for IELTS. It's especially great for ESL learners who want to practice with real-life English. So, tell me, where are you joining from today? India, Vietnam, Thailand, China, Colombia, Venezuela, Brazil. Comment below and let me know. I'd love to see where this learning community is coming together from. Also, how long have you been studying English? 3 months, 2 years, 5 years. And if you're comfortable, why are you learning English? For work, for travel, or for personal growth? Let's get to know each other. In this course, we'll be using the shadowing technique. That means you'll listen and repeat everything you hear. It's one of the most powerful ways to improve your English speaking naturally. You might be wondering, why shadowing? Well, it's not the boring way of memorizing grammar rules. It helps you think and speak in English without translating. Shadowing trains your brain, your ears, and your mouth all at once. Best of all, it builds real fluency and confidence over time. This is Day 1 of your English speaking course. Remember, the goal is not perfection. It's consistency. A little practice every day goes a long way. Today, we're going to practice 15 sentences using daily English phrasal verbs, useful and practical expressions. You can start using right away. The instructions are simple first. Listen carefully. Then repeat with me. You can pause the video anytime and repeat as many times as you like. Take your time, speak out loud, and have fun with it. Ready to get started? Brilliant! Let's jump into Day 1 of this 30-day English speaking course. We should head out soon if we want to beat traffic. I ran out of milk, so I had to drink my coffee black. They're looking into getting a new apartment closer to work. She's been going through a tough time lately, so be patient with her. Can you please drop me off at the train station on your way? I totally forgot to set my alarm, so I woke up late again. I'm trying to cut down on sugar to stay healthy. She ran into an old friend at the coffee shop yesterday. I'll call you back in 10 minutes. I'm in a meeting right now. We need to figure out a way to solve this problem. He showed up late to the meeting and missed the important part. Sorry, I'm late. I got held up in traffic. I need to look up the address before we leave. I'm burned out and need to take a break this weekend. My boss turned down my vacation request. Awesome job today! You did amazing on day one of our phrasal verb speaking practice. These sentences aren't just for practice. You can actually use them in your daily life. So try them out, speak them out loud, and repeat as many times as you like. Did any sentence stand out to you today? Maybe one that felt especially useful or fun to say. Go ahead and repeat it a few more times until you get comfortable with it. That's how real fluency happens. This method is so much more effective than the old school textbook way of learning English because you're actively speaking, not just memorizing. When you speak consistently, your fluency grows faster than you think. Stick with me for this 30-day English speaking course, and I promise, if you show up daily, even just for a few minutes, you're going to see massive improvement in no time. Here's a little tip. Try to keep a notebook of your progress. Write down the sentences that felt helpful. Add a few notes, maybe even write how you felt saying them. It's a great way to track your growth. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Stumbling is part of learning. Nobody runs before they walk. And nobody speaks fluently before they stumble a little. You're doing the work, and that matters a lot. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you on day 2 of this English speaking course. Until then, keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep showing up!